Ladies and gentlemen, you just had a look at an absolutely breathtaking geodesic dome.
Hi guys, this is the new Odisha, the Naveen Odisha, built by 4.5 crore Odiyas in the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Naveen Patnaik, who is the most ideal Chief Minister in India, the best administrator in India, and our most lovable human being and the true son of Odisha. So I salute this great man who is really dreaming very high for Odisha and taking Odisha above anyone else. Thank you, sir. Love you, sir. God bless you. Jai Jagannath. Bande Utkala Janani.